Hello everyone, in today's video I wanted to show you how you can use your Line 6 Podgo multi-effects as a Stombox set of pedals plugged into your amp. Okay, so the Line 6 Podgo has this feature called the Amp Out, and what it enables us to do is to use our own amp as the preamp for our pedals available in the multi-effects as a Stombox. So if you play live, you can also use your Amp Out feature as a monitor for you on stage, as it allows you to use a real amp on the stage as well as take the stereo out into the line off the front of house. That way you can have an on-stage live return as well. So the way that I'm using it is by hooking into my Fender Blues Jr Tweed. Worth to mention that my Fender amp doesn't have an FX loop or anything. I'm simply going straight into the front of the amp with the spring reverb out. For this video, I'm capturing the audio from the amp with an SM57 type mic straight into my audio interface. And this is how it sounds. Out sounds apart, this is how it's currently set up. This setup has been working great for me. I have two types of plays I typically play. One where the church is really big and I can bring my valve amp along, and for this case I simply mic it and send the mic to the front of house to mix. And another church I play is a smaller church, and it doesn't allow any amps. So the way I just use the line out from the pedal board. To make things easier for me, I dialed a similar tone for the line, so I basically used the same path for both use cases. And for convenience, I added a switch to my patch. When I go to the line out, I simply turn on the amp emulation from the Podgo. When I go straight into my amp, I just turn it off. This has almost demonstrated to be a very versatile for playing guitars and acoustic guitars. Acoustic guitars don't work pretty well with preamps and stuff. So when I switch into my acoustic, I simply turn off the amp on the line and it works amazing. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, just place on the comment section and I'll do my best to respond. Thank you.